Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So, I hope you all are in good health and fine, and your preparation for the upcoming exam is going on in full swing, right? So, as you all know, that this is the playlist that I have started for your December 2021 and June 2022 solutions. And till now, we have covered many topics, we have covered many subjects. I'll give just an overview of that. So for this June 2022 paper, the solutions that we have taken are, we have covered computer networks, we have covered DBMS, and we have covered discrete mathematics, right? We have covered these three subjects, and I have shared the PDF with you all on the Telegram group. Okay. So today I'll be covering the rest of the questions of ALGO, data structures and operating system. I have covered few questions and today I'll be covering the rest of these questions. And the PDF will be shared to you on the Telegram group again. Okay. After this, I'll be covering the topics that are your SE, software engineering, POC and compiler. Okay, and then the notification of the class and the PDF will be shared again on Telegram group. And after that, we'll be covering the remaining topics that are your architecture, digital, that is your digital electronics, okay, then your AI and your programming and your graphics. Okay, so this will be sharing, and the link of these PDFs of the videos will be shared to you on the Telegram group. So please everyone join the Telegram group, that is t.me/netreadigimento. This is very important for you to all join. All the links of the classes, all the PDFs will be shared on this Telegram group only. Okay, so I'll be sharing this PDF with you of this algorithm, data structures and operating system class once we finish this entire video of today's. Okay, if you have any doubt related to any or you have any problem related to any course or anything, you can mail us at admin@gatelectures.com. You can also call us on these two numbers, 98218 or 98218 and all your problems will be rectified related to your course. If you have any problem related to subject, you can also you can always consult on this Telegram group. Okay, this is the website, as you all know, gmento.com. So you can visit this website. There are courses available to us. There are around 65 plus courses given to us. Okay, the exam that is held in February में जो एग्जाम है, that is your December 2022 cycle. ओके, प्लीज डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज. जून में जो आपका एग्जाम होगा या जुलाई में जो एग्जाम होगा, दैट विल बी फॉर योर जुलाई 2023 साइकिल. Many of you are having this confusion, so again I'm repeating it. Please just correct your confusion. Okay, जो आपका एग्जाम हो रहा है फरवरी में, that is in the next month, that is to cover the December 2022 cycle. Okay, and you can use this code welcome40 to get 40% off, and you can buy any of the course if you're preparing for July 2023 exam. Okay, you can go for 3 months course and that will be helpful to you for preparation. If you're preparing for any other course, that is your machine learning, or you're preparing for any other exam like ISRO or KVS, PGT, TGT, just visit this website and you can look for the options given below. But don't forget to use this code welcome40 to get this 40% off. Okay, again, any query, just mail us, or you can also call us on these two numbers related to courses. Related to subject कोई query है, exam कोई query है, then you can mail, you can telegram, you can send your message on telegram t.me/netreadigimento. Okay, this is the Android app. As you all know, you can download this Android app and you can have a view of the courses on your mobile phone. Okay, so as you all know, we have already discussed these questions, that is your PCP wala question. These are your algorithm and data structures question, right? You can all see this. We have already discussed these questions, that is your asymptotic questions. Also I have discussed this entire concept. Depth first search, then we have discussed this vertex cover, what is vertex cover and everything, and I've discussed this match the following, then this journaling, then this AVL. So AVL was the last question that we discussed in the video, and I have already explained single rotation, double rotation, left right rotation, right left rotation. So I don't think that there's any problem in this concept. Today we'll start with this question, that is stack algorithm, elevator algorithm, priority scheduling and Heaven's algorithm. So try karo is question ko, and don't just go for the elimination method, you will be able to do it. Okay, right everyone? So very easy question this is. Now stack algorithm, you all know that whenever we have this page fault question, right, whenever we have to use this page replacement policies, like we have this your LRU or optimal, what we use frame size है ना, but frame size is of which type? Frame size data structure कौन सा use करता है? Stack. That is, we push one element and then we have another page, so we pop the already present one page and then again we push that one. So basically in page replacement we use the concept of push and pop, and push and pop is related to stack. तो stack आपका किससे related हो गया? Stack हो गया आपका page replacement से. So A is connected to 3. So we'll rule out option number 2 and option number 4. Okay, and option number 1 and 3 you can see B, that is elevator algorithm, is already given to option number 2. That is this scheduling. So that is, we know elevator algorithm is related to this scheduling. Now, we all know that priority scheduling algorithm is a part of CPU scheduling. आप सबने पढ़ी है ये. मैंने I have taught this CPU scheduling. उसमें मैंने priority algorithm आपको पढ़ाई है. Priority scheduling, right? Along with your uh, SRTF and SJF and FCFS, right? We already studied priority scheduling. So this means that आपका जो correct option है वो है option number 1. That is, elevator algorithm is related to your scheduling, stack algorithm related to page replacement, IT related to CPU, and have vendors related to deadlock. So these are your given correct option. Okay, correct option is option number 1, that is stack with page replacement, elevator with disk scheduling, priority with CPU scheduling, and have vendors with deadlock. इसमें आपके जो match the following होते हैं, in that questions we do have certain options that we already know beforehand. So उनके basis पे ही आप elimination method you can apply. Okay, next question. Again an easy question. Which of the following algorithm design approach is used in quicksort algorithm? Try करो. You have to tell basically कि quicksort कौन से approach पे based है. So after completing today's after completing in this video your algorithm, data structure, and operating system, I'll be sharing a video, or we'll have a live class. We'll look to it on your software engineering, okay, TOC and compiler questions. And there we'll be discussing all the questions that were asked in your software engineering TOC and compiler. And जो भी आपके questions and जो भी doubts हैं, we'll look into it. And the PDF will be shared on Telegram group. The link of the video will be shared on Telegram group. That is why I'm repeatedly saying, please join the Telegram group so that you can be updated about the classes. Okay, so very easy. This is quick sort. Basically, I hope you all know that we have an unsorted array. Okay, so let's suppose that this is my unsorted array. What we do? What is the basic thing that we do in quick sort? In quick sort, we use what? We use a pivot element or pivot element. जो भी आपकी pronunciations हैं, pivot element होता है, yes or no? What does that pivot element do? How do we find that pivot element? It is found by the median, है ना? Median की help से we find this element. So what we do over here is, suppose this is my pivot element, this is the median of this array. Okay, median, let's say that is, this is your 60, this value is 60. Okay, ये हो गया आपका pivot element. Now what does this quick sort do is, in quick sort we basically use a function, I hope you all know that, partition function, right? Partition function का हम use करते हैं, and what does this that do? This partition function basically divides the given array into two parts, one where the value of the elements are less than the pivot element values, and right hand side has the values which are greater than the pivot side values. That is, left side will contain the numbers that are less than 60, and the right side will contain numbers greater than 60. So basically we are dividing the algorithm, we are dividing our array, and then again on this left hand side you will perform the same method, you will find the median of this left hand side. Okay, uske baad again you will apply partition and again you will divide. So basically we are dividing our algorithm, we are dividing our array, and then we are trying to sort the array. The correct answer for quick sort algorithm is divide and conquer. I think merge sort, I hope you all know, merge sort also uses divide and conquer technique. Yes. So quick sort and merge sort both uses divide and conquer technique. In quick sort we have the concept of pivot element that is used by calculating the median, and then we have the function that is partition function, and with the help of partition function we divide the array. Okay, this is the basic of your quick sort algorithm. Next question, again very easy question. The total storage capacity of a floppy disk having 80 tracks and storing 128 bytes per sector is 163840 bytes. How many sectors does this disk have? Okay, so try करो. I have taken one video that is of your operating system YQ. Okay, that is an old video. In that video, I have discussed this entire concept of disk structure. ठीक है, जैसे कि आपका फ्लॉपी मतलब आपकी पूरी डिस्क में सरफेस होता है, ठीक है, देन वी हैव टैग्स, वी हैव सेक्टर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इट इन अ नाइस वे विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. सो आई सजेस्ट कि आप वो क्वेश्चंस आप देखो, क्यूज हैं वहाँ पे, अगर आपको याद हो दैट इन ईयर 2019 आई गेस और मे बी 2020 we got five questions we got of passage questions थे आपके इसी टाइप इसी कंसेप्ट पे, दिस स्ट्रक्चर पे. I've discussed those questions in this OSPYQ. I suggest you all please go through that, and for revision purpose also, if you want to revise, I think all the videos of mine on YouTube are sufficient for your revision. They basically contain all the important topics that you can expect of. Okay, if you see, this is the diagram of your disk basically. I'll just zoom in for you. You can see it very clearly. That here we have this is a spindle. Okay, this is a circular thing, is a spindle, and we have certain platters, or we have disk basically over here. Okay, on this platter on the surface you can see we have tracks, and each track is divided into sectors. So basically your each disk is divided into tracks, and each track is divided into certain amount of sectors. The information is stored on these sectors. Okay, तो अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे, if you see over here, this is the structure you can sort of think of. ठीक है, ये आपकी disk है. Disk is divided into tracks. This circular part is basically your track, one track. Okay, and each track is divided into certain blocks that are known as sectors, and the information is stored on these sectors. So agar if we think about now, if we think of, so we have basically total disk. अब अच्छा मुझे बताओ, total disk capacity, okay, total disk capacity is equal to number of tracks into number of sectors into amount of data stored in each sector. This is how you will calculate. Yes or no? सोचो और इसे कर. So now if you see over here, what they have given to us is they have given this disk capacity, right? I hope you have understood this point. कैसे आया कि see, our disk is made up of tracks. Okay, so disk capacity हो गई tracks. Each track is made up of certain amount of sectors, so number of sectors, and the data that is held by this is these in these sectors only, amount of data stored. So total disk capacity given to us is 163,840 bytes, equal to how many tracks we have? We have 80 tracks. How many sectors? We don't know. Let's say that the number of sectors are x, and multiply by how many, what is the amount of data? 128 bytes in one sector. बात समझ में आ रही है? Your entire disk is divided into tracks. Okay, so total capacity कितनी हुई? That will be calculated with the help of this thing, that कितने tracks हैं, how many tracks are there, in each track how many sectors are there, and what amount of data can each sector hold. So from here I can find the value of x, that is 163,840 divided by 80 multiply by 128, and when you will solve this, the answer you will get is 16. So basically the amount of sectors that we have will have 16. देखो इसे एक बार, देखो इसे, and अगर मुझे राइट. सो बेसिकली क्या हो रहा है इसमें? कुछ भी नहीं, सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट है दैट योर डिस्क, ठीक है, योर डिस्क इज मेड अप ऑफ ट्रैक्स, ठीक है, एंड ट्रैक्स आर मेड अप ऑफ सेक्टर्स. So basically what we are doing in order to find ki how much total disk capacity is, or the capacity of disk is, or how much space or how much data disk can store, what we have to do is we have to find these values. This is the concept है, I think ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. आपकी disk है, disk is made up of certain tracks, tracks are made up of certain amount of sectors. So disk कितना hold कर सकती है, that is calculated by multiplying disk into sectors. And data कहाँ store होता है? Data store होता है in sectors में. Data is stored in these sectors. So जितने sectors हैं, we'll multiply it with the data hold by one sector, and then we multiply it by the total number of tracks, and this will give us the total number of amount of data that can be hold on to that disk. So I hope ये point समझ में आ गया होगा सबको. ठीक है, अगर इन केस इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, ठीक है, किसी को कोई भी डाउट हो, यू कैन राइट टू मी ऑन टेलीग्राम. ठीक है, टेलीग्राम पे आप लिख देना मैम वो क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं है, बिकॉज अभी तक आई हैव नॉट एनकाउंटर्ड एनी प्रॉब्लम विद एनी ऑफ द प्रीवियस वीडियोस, इसलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम आई नहीं है. बट स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, प्लीज राइट टू मी ऑन टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. आई ट्राई टू टेक दैट क्वेश्चन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. नेक्स्ट से ट्राई करो. रनिंग टाइम से आपको फाइंड करनी है एल्गोरिथम्स की. ओके, राइट. सो इस क्वेश्चन में we have breadth first search, Rabin-Karp algorithm, depth first search, heap sort, quick sort. Okay. Now we know that breadth first search and depth first search are related to graph, right? These two algorithms are related to graph. So this we know that they will have vertices and edges in their time complexities, है ना? So we have two vertices 1 and 2 that are taking V and E, that is vertices and edges. Now one is having theta, okay, that is your average case, and one is having big O. Okay. Heap sort and quick sort are basically your sorting algorithms, and in both the cases they have taken the worst case. So सबसे पहले what you have to know is, सबसे पहले the important thing is that about quick sort. So what is the best and average case in quick sort? If somebody asks us कि best and average case time complexity क्या होती है, it is order of n log n. This is what is expected to from us to know, because this is the basic of algorithm. So ये everybody should know. Okay. Quick sort का best time and average time होता है order of n log n. And the worst case time complexity is order of n square. वर्स्ट केस कब होता है? व्हेन डू वी हैव वर्स्ट केस? वर्स्ट केस होता है व्हेन एरे इज ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड. ठीक है, व्हाई इट इज द वर्स्ट केस? बिकॉज वी आर अप्लाइंग क्विक सॉर्ट. Quick sort is basically it is to sort an array. Now, when my array is already sorted, it will be treated as worst case only. So when my array is already sorted, okay, then my worst case time complexity comes, that is order of n square. ठीक है. So if you see over here, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो, so you can clearly see that quick sort worst case is order of n square. So E is related to option number 4. ठीक है, E option number 4 related है, मतलब कौन सा ऑप्शन हो गया आपका? Only third option is the answer for us, because बाकी सब में E related to 5. ठीक है, so इसीलिए it's very important कि ये चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए, because this is very basic. Heap sort in best and average case will take order of n time. But in worst case it will take order of n log n, that is this one. ठीक है, correct answer हो गया option number 3. Now what you have to do is, you have to find this Rabin-Karp algorithm, and you have to search and tell me this Rabin-Karp algorithm is related to which topic. ये आप लोगों को मुझे बताना है, या तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता देना या फिर टेलीग्राम पे बता देना. This Rabin-Karp algorithm is related to which topic. ठीक है, breadth first search की क्या complexity हुई? Big O. Breadth first search is big O V plus E. That is big O of vertices plus edges. Breadth first search हो गया theta of V plus E. So this Rabin-Karp is theta of n minus m minus 1 into n. तो ये आप लोगों को कैलकुलेट करके मुझे बताना है कि Rabin-Karp algorithm बेसिकली किस उससे रिलेट करती है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर द फॉलोइंग पेज रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग. सो ये हमारी स्ट्रिंग गिवन है हमें 4321 4354 3215. ये आपकी स्ट्रिंग है. यू हैव टू टेल द नंबर ऑफ पेज फॉल्ट्स. पेज फॉल्ट्स कितने हो रहे हैं? पेज फॉल्ट्स बेसिकली क्या होता है कि आपको किसी पे सर्च करना है, आपने सर्च किया, वो पेज फॉल्ट आपको नहीं मिला वहां पे. ठीक है, इस फ्रेम में आप सर्च कर रहे हो, इस फ्रेम पे आपको पेज फॉल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है. then we say that when we are trying to find a page and we're not able to find that page, that is known as page fault. So लीस्ट रिसेंटली यूज मेथड आपको लेना है और उससे आपको फाइंड करना है कि कितना पेज फॉल्ट आपका होगा. फ्रेम साइज कितना दिया हुआ है? फ्रेम साइज गिवन टू अस इज 3 और ये आपकी स्ट्रिंग है. ट्राई करो इस क्वेश्चन को. ठीक है. सो कैसे करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को? सो वी हैव दिस स्ट्रिंग 4 3 2 1 4 3 5 4 3 2 1 and 5. So what we are given, we have been given that your frame size is 3. ठीक है. Now in this question they have not mentioned anything ki whether initially there was a page or not, initially the frame was empty or anything like this. So when I'll enter this 4, ठीक है, 4 also I'll not be able to find in the given frame because 4 is not there, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं कर रखा है कि आपका फ्रेम में ऑलरेडी कुछ गिवन है या पहले से पेज कोई फिल है या नहीं. So this 4, when I'll enter this 4, it will again be treated as a page fault. Yes, because frame हमारा empty है. जब empty frame में when you're trying to refer something, when you're trying to find a page, you will not be able to find that given page. So that is why it will be treated as a page fault. Then we have 3. So again same for 3 and same for 2. ठीक है. So now we have 4, 3 and 2. So these are the 3 page faults. Now we look for 1. What is the case we are using? Method we are using is least recently used. So what you will do in least recently used में आप क्या करोगे? 3 आपका फ्रेम साइज है तो प्रीवियस 3 आपने फ्रेम्स चेक किए, पेजेस चेक किए और जो थर्ड पेज है, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड, जो थर्ड पेज है उससे आप अपने इस पेज को रिप्लेस कर दोगे. You will take the previous 3 pages, ठीक है, and the third page, ठीक है, the third page from the right से third page आएगा आपका. You will move towards left, उसमें जो third page है because frame size 3 है आपका, you will replace that page. So 1 will be replaced by 4. So 1 is a page fault. Similarly for 4, जब आप 4 पे आओगे, you will move back to 3 places, 1 2 and 3. So the third page that when you're moving towards the left is 3. So you will replace this 4 with 3. Then again when you will move from, अब आप 3 के लिए जब मूव करोगे, ठीक है, so what you will do, अब आपको क्या एंटर करना है? 3. So 4 1 and 2 you will take, ठीक है, 4 1 and 2. So the page that you will replace is 2. So again this is a page fault and this is a page fault. Now we have 5. अब 5 के लिए what you will do? 5 के लिए what you will do? You will see 3 4 and 1. Wait, 3 4 and 1. So now what you will do, now you will replace 1 with it. ठीक है, so 1 को आप किससे replace कर दोगे, 5 से. So again this is a page fault. Now 4 is present, 3 is present, 2. So 2 के लिए you will replace 2 5 with 2. So page fault. 1 के लिए 1 will be replaced by 4 because ये. So 4 again 1 is a page fault. 5 के लिए will replace 3. So this is a page fault. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in total we will have 10 page faults. So correct answer is option number 3. So what you have to do basically, क्या करना है आप लोगों को for doing these type of questions, I'll tell you. When we have least recently used, ठीक है, we look for the past. ठीक है, मतलब अगर frame size, if suppose frame size is 3, ठीक है, so I have this element, this element, this element and this element. So I am entering this one. ठीक है, so I look for the previous 3 elements and this element will be removed. And when I'm dealing with optimal में I look for the future references. Similarly, मतलब I have to enter this one, so I look for these 3 and this one will be removed. So this is the difference between LRU and optimal. LRU में you look for the past references and past में जो सबसे least, सबसे पहले use किया गया, that one will be replaced. Optimal में जो सबसे आगे है, जो बहुत टाइम बाद जाके यूज होगा, that one will be removed. ठीक है, so this is the difference between LRU and optimal. यहाँ पे हमने 4, 3 and 2. Why we treated them as page fault? Because no information was given to us कि कौन सा page fault है, कौन सा empty, whether your frames are empty or whether certain values are already present in the frames. So इसीलिए since कोई information given नहीं थी, that is why we have taken the initial pages also as a page fault. So आपका आंसर आ गया 10. ठीक है, I hope this point is clear to everyone. Next question, consider the traversal of tree. So we have two orders given to us, pre-order and in-order. You have to find the post-order traversal. Try करो इसे. So सबसे पहले तो we have to know that what are these traversals. ठीक है, so what is pre-order traversal basically? Suppose if I say that I have this root, then this is my left subtree or left child of the root, and this is the right child of the root. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले what we have is, सबसे पहले we have the pre-order. What is pre-order basically? Pre-order is, first we will take root, then we will take left child, and then we will take right child. Then we have in order. Now what does in order says? In order says first we will have left child, then we will have root, and then we will have right child. And the last one we have is post order. Post order says first we will have left child, then we will visit right child, and last में we will visit the root. So basically your pre, that is pre means पहले, in that is inside, and then post means बाद में. These are your references to the root. Because अगर आप देखो इस definition में you can see pre order में root सबसे पहले है, in order में root is in the middle of left and right, and post order में root is extreme end. So this pre, in and post, these are referring to your term root. So अगर मेरे पास एक tree है that is A, B and C, ठीक है, so what will be the pre-order of this tree? Pre-order हो जाएगा A, B and C. Yes or no? Root, left, right. In order हो जाएगा left, that is B, then I have root, and then I have right, that is C. And post order हो जाएगा left, that is B, right, that is root, right, that is C, and root, that is A. So from this, what one thing is clear to us is कि pre-order में root will come at the front, post order में root will come at the end. मतलब pre-order का first element and post order का last element should be same. Yes or no? Because pre-order में root सबसे पहला है, first element है, and post order में root सबसे last element है. So this means that pre-order का first element should be same as or should be similar to post order का last element. If you look at this question now, pre-order में सबसे पहला है A. So your post order last element should also be A. Yes or no? Pre-order में सबसे पहला element root है, post order सबसे last element root है. So pre-order में A है, post order में भी आपका last element A होना चाहिए. So this rules out the possibility for option number 2 and 3. ठीक है? Now we'll start with the question that is your pre-order and in order. Now how you will calculate your post order? एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखना everyone. One thing that is very important is that कि अगर मुझे pre-order given है, ठीक है, and मुझे in order given है, okay, I can find post order. ठीक है, मगर मतलब this is given to us, I can calculate post order. Similarly, if I am given post order and I am given in order, I can find pre order. ठीक है, but if I am given pre order and I am given post order, I cannot find in order. So in order to find post order or pre order, in order is must required along with the other one. ठीक है, अगर प्री ऑर्डर के साथ इन ऑर्डर है, यू कैन फाइंड पोस्ट ऑर्डर, पोस्ट ऑर्डर से इन ऑर्डर है, यू कैन फाइंड प्री ऑर्डर. अगर इन ऑर्डर नहीं गिवन है, यू कैन नॉट फाइंड इट whether it is post order pre order, and with only pre order and post order, in order आप find नहीं कर सकते, because in order basically defines the structure of tree. अब कैसे मैं आपको समझाती हूँ यहाँ पे, सी बहुत ध्यान से we'll go, ठीक है, one step at a time we'll go. So pre order is root, left and right. In order is left, root and right. ठीक है, so this means if you look over here, pre order में we have A, that is A is your root. Yes or no? ठीक है, अब in order में root comes in the middle. ठीक है, आप लोग कह रहे हो, आप लोग को अब आप जब in order आपने देखा, you found out that A बिल्कुल end में given है, तो ये कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कि A is given at the end. This means that A is not the root. No, this means that this entire portion is your left subtree. Okay, this A is your root, and anything after this A is your right subtree. Now nothing is given to us after A, मतलब right subtree पे कुछ नहीं है. This means that दिस गिवन ट्री डज नॉट हैव अ राइट चाइल्ड. बात समझ में आई? दिस गिवन ट्री डज नॉट हैव अ राइट चाइल्ड. ए जो आपका रूट है ट्री का इज नॉट हैविंग अ राइट चाइल्ड, इट ओनली हैव लेफ्ट सब ट्री. ये बात समझ में आ गई? ठीक है. अब next what we have to do is, next we have to find the child of A. अब obvious सी बात है, जब आपने ये चीज फाइंड कर ली, ठीक है, अब आपको इसका भी रूट फाइंड करना है, yes or no, बिकॉज यही आगे डिवीजन होगा. सो फॉर योर लेफ्ट सब ट्री दिस नोड इज योर, दिस नोड फॉर योर लेफ्ट सब ट्री दिस नोड इज योर रूट. अगेन आई मूव टू प्री ऑर्डर. अब प्री ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग ये आपका रूट हो गया and this is your left child. कैसे? because right child empty है. अगर आप in order देखो, see basically with the help of in order you can find out the left and right childs of the root. कैसे? because अब A से आपको ये पता लगा कि A के लेफ्ट में जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं वो लेफ्ट सब ट्री के पार्ट हैं, A के राइट के जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं वो राइट सब ट्री के पार्ट्स हैं. So this is one thing that is clear to us, is that this given tree does not have a right subtree. We only have left subtree and only we have to look at the left children. Okay. Now this means that for the pre-order, all these elements after A, they are your left child. Okay. अब कैसे फाइंड, अब क्या फाइंड करोगे? Now we have this B. Now we look only at the left children. So we have B, C, E, I, F, J, D, G, H, K, L. So B. This means again अब लेफ्ट में भी you have to keep in mind, लेफ्ट में भी यही सेम कंसेप्ट यूज हुआ है. पूरा ट्री आपका अलग है, ठीक है, दिस इज योर वन होल ट्री. दिस इज अगेन अनदर लेफ्ट सब ट्री, ये आपका अगेन एक राइट सब ट्री है. इस पार्ट पे भी सेम कंसेप्ट यूज हुआ है जो ओवरऑल ट्री पे यूज हुआ है. Okay, so now we'll start by applying this. So if you see over here we have B. This means that what, B जो है आपका वो क्या है? B is the root of left child. So B is the root of left child. B आ गया आपका ये. So the elements to the left of B are your left का left child and elements to the right of B are your left के right child. मतलब like this. ठीक है. Now I have C. So basically अब हम P order से we are trying to find the root of the subtrees and in order से we are trying to find कि कौन से elements left में है और कौन से elements right में. Okay, now A done, B done. Now we'll move to C. Again C is what? C is आपका क्या है? Root, left, okay, और right पे कुछ है नहीं. अब आप आए B C D. B was the root, C was the left. C पे again you will, C will be treated as a root. Okay, अब C आपका यहाँ पे आ गया. This means that E and I are the left children of C and F and J are the right children of C. So यह आपका E और यह आपका F. C के बाद again I have E. So E will come over here. Then I have I. C E I. ठीक है, ये आपका E and I are your लेफ्ट है आपके, ठीक है. सो ये आपका रूट हो गया. These are your left. So E again आपका रूट है and then I have I. Then for F and J, so E I हो गया F. F again आपका इधर का रूट हो गया and उसका चाइल्ड हो गया J. This is your C B का लेफ्ट सब ट्री. E I C F J. अगर आप यहाँ लिखूं इसे E I C F J या फिर आप इसको देखो, what you can simply do is you can take elements from यहाँ से B C E I F J. ठीक है, तो अगर आप इसमें ऑर्डर लगाओ, so this becomes your root. These are your left elements. So अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे प्री ऑर्डर लगाओ, you will get root. Then left में you will get root E. रूट लेफ्ट में I. अब E का भी राइट चाइल्ड नहीं है, सो नथिंग. तो C E I. देन आई मूव टू राइट. F का कोई राइट या लेफ्ट चाइल्ड जो भी आप लेना चाहो. J को, J बेसिकली राइट चाइल्ड है. क्यों? बिकॉज J इज टुवर्ड्स द राइट ऑफ F. इन ऑर्डर से आपको ऑर्डर पता लगेगा कि व्हाट विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ योर ट्री. सो एफ के राइट पे है जे. दिस मीन्स दैट जे इज द राइट चाइल्ड ऑफ एफ. ठीक है. अब वील मूव टू राइट सब ट्री ऑफ बी. तो बी के राइट सब ट्री पे मूव करा. अब नाउ वील सी जी. सो यहाँ पे आपका एफ हो गया, जे हो गया. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव डी ओवर हियर. सो दिस मीन्स दैट डी इज द रूट नोड ऑफ दिस राइट सब ट्री. बी के इधर सिर्फ जी है और इधर के एच एल है. सो दिस मीन्स जी इज बेसिकली व्हाट, जी इज योर लेफ्ट पार्ट. जी आपका यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में आ गया. जी डन. नाउ आई हैव एच के एल. सो यहाँ पे देखो के एच एल लिखा हुआ है, राइट. के एच एल. दिस मीन्स इन ऑर्डर में के एच एल है. सो दिस मीन्स दिस इज योर लेफ्ट, दिस इज योर रूट एंड दिस इज योर राइट. सो एच becomes your root, K becomes your left and L becomes your right. ट्री समझ में आया कैसे बना? कुछ नहीं है बेसिकली. आई एक्सप्लेन अगेन. कुछ भी नहीं है, सिंपल से कंसेप्ट है. क्या कंसेप्ट यूज किया गया है? दैट प्री ऑर्डर से यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड कि व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ द ट्री एंड सब ट्री. ठीक है. इन ऑर्डर से बेसिकली यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड द ऑर्डर ऑफ द नोड्स. वेदर वो राइट में आना चाहिए, वो लेफ्ट में आना चाहिए, या वो रूट नोड होना चाहिए. दिस विल बी फाइंड कैलकुलेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ इन ऑर्डर. सो सेम हमने वही सिंपल सा किया है. व्हाट वी हैव डन इज वी हैव टेकन दिस प्री ऑर्डर. फ्रॉम प्री ऑर्डर वी कैलकुलेटेड कि रूट क्या होना चाहिए ट्री का. The first element was A and the pre-order tells us that root has to be A. So basically हर सब tree में, in every subtree you will basically apply the same rule, that is root left right, left root right. In every subtree you will apply the same order and then you will be able to find the value. Now we have to calculate what? Now we have to calculate post order. What is post order? Post order says left, right and root. So what will be the post order now? Left. We'll move to left. Okay. ये हमारा root है. Okay, left में आ गया हम B पे. So always remember this. We'll always start with the extreme corner. से नीचे leaf level से we'll start. So left. Now again I'll move to C. Again C के left में E, C के left में I. So first element I'll write is I. Left, right. Right पे कुछ है नहीं. Nothing. So E. ये लेफ्ट आपका कंप्लीट हो गया. देन आई मूव टू राइट. राइट में लेफ्ट में क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है. राइट में है जे, रूट है आपका एफ. ये आपका पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया पूरा. अब आपका आया सी. सो नाउ दिस लेफ्ट सब ट्री इज कंप्लीट. नाउ आई मूव टू राइट सब ट्री. राइट में भी सेम कंसेप्ट. लेफ्ट में वी हैव व्हाट? लेफ्ट में वी हैव जी. देन आई मूव टू राइट. राइट में अगेन वी हैव लेफ्ट में के, राइट में एल, रूट में एच. And then we have this D. Then I'll have B and then I'll have A. This will be the post order of the given tree. Okay. So the correct answer becomes option number 4. That is the given correct post order. हो सकता है many of you must not be able to understand this concept. ठीक है. बहुतों को ये concept समझ में ना आया हो. What I'll recommend is just go through this video again, go through this particular question again, try to understand the concept again. Okay. Again, if you're not able to understand, what you have to do is you will message me on Telegram, ma'am, we are not able to understand this particular concept. What I'll do is I will take these type of questions in further classes and I'll try to make you understand the concept by practicing these questions. Okay. So I'll suggest you all कि please go through this video again. अगर आपको ये concept समझ में नहीं आया है, this pre-order, post-order, in-order, and you have to message me on Telegram कि we are not able to understand this. I will look into it again and I'll make sure कि I'll take few other questions so that you're able to understand the question. Okay. So with this video, we have completed CN. I'm talking about June 2022 question. Okay. Paper. CN कंप्लीट हो गया, EBMS कंप्लीट हो गया, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स कंप्लीट हो गया, डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स कंप्लीट हो गया, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंप्लीट हो गया एंड एल्गो कंप्लीट हो गया. Okay, now in the next video we'll be covering software engineering, DOC and compiler. Okay, the questions that I have not covered from these topics are basic questions, and I think that you will be able to do them. That is why I have not taken those questions from the given of these topics. Okay, next we'll be discussing this SE DOC compiler जो next video होगी. Till then I'll be uploading this. ये मैंने PDF आपको upload कर दी है. CN DBMS and discrete mathematics की PDF I have already uploaded on Telegram. So I'll suggest you all कि please एक बार उस वीडियो को देखना, PDF को देखना. ठीक है, लिस्ट है बेसिकली, सो इसमें आपको सारे टॉपिक्स मिल जाएंगे. OS ALGO and data structure is completed with this video, and from next video we'll be discussing the questions of software engineering, DOC and compiler. So basically with one or two videos more we'll be completing this June 2022 paper. Uske baad most of you have suggested for 2019 paper. Some questions we have discussed, some are left, so I'll be taking those questions. The left question that we have left, I'll be taking those. Okay, but again I'll suggest everyone ki please go through those questions, go through my previous videos. You will find each and every concept over there that will be helpful to you. Okay, that's it for this video. See you all in the next session. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.